In this video, I'm going to show you how to implement the new affiliate stacking ecosystem. Even if you're a complete beginner with no technical experience, you've never owned a business, or don't have any products, and if you don't have much time to work on it. Now, this is the second video of a free 6-part training series I'm doing on my new affiliate stacking ecosystem. If you haven't seen the last video, make sure to check that one out. I show you exactly why the old way of doing affiliate marketing is dead and why you need to implement affiliate stacking ecosystems. And I showed you why this is way better to build a long-term and sustainable business, to quit your 9-to-5 job and achieve financial freedom. Now, with that being said, let's talk about how you can get results as fast as possible with a new way of doing affiliate marketing, which is the affiliate stacking ecosystem. And I'm going to show you how you can get started today with my 3-step simple framework on the affiliate stacking ecosystem. But more importantly, how you can build this out one time and how this business is going to last for a lifetime when you quit your 9-to-5 job. Now, first things first, guys, you've probably heard that when you first get started, you have to focus on one product, and that's 100% true, but that doesn't mean you can't promote an ecosystem of products that complement that one core product. Now, let me give you an example of someone doing this in the health niche. Let's just say that you're promoting a weight loss program for $500 to $1,000. Now, that's your main core product that you're selling, and that's how you're gonna make your big ticket commissions. Now, that doesn't mean that people aren't gonna have other problems that go along with this. For example, if someone's looking to lose weight, they're also gonna need other things that go with it, right? Maybe a fitness tracker, maybe some food, maybe a weight loss belt or weight loss equipment. These are all things, these are all products that you can sell that goes along with the main product. So now you can see we can start creating this ecosystem of products that complement that core main product. In this case, it's a weight loss course. Let me give you another example of the crypto niche. So let's just say we're starting our affiliate business around the crypto niche. Now, let's just say we find a core product, a core course around teaching people how to do cryptocurrency or how to trade cryptocurrency. That's gonna be our main core product, okay? This is what we're gonna build our business around. That doesn't mean you can't build an ecosystem of products around that. So this is an example. Let's just say you're promoting a course on how to do cryptocurrency. Now people are gonna need other things that go with it. They're gonna need trading software. They're gonna need something to buy crypto with. They're gonna need to learn algorithm, robots, or whatever it is that goes along with cryptocurrency. So you can see you're gonna have multiple products that complement that main core product. And this is what I mean by an affiliate stacking ecosystem. We have that main core product. We then have the little products that help a customer get the solution they're looking for. Now, here's my 3-step simple framework on how to build out this affiliate stacking ecosystem. Okay, so step number 1 is we have to find a core product. Now, this core product is gonna give your customers the main result they want. It's really important that you find a core product that you absolutely believe in. Now, that doesn't mean you have to buy the program, but typically it's a good idea to buy what you're selling. That way you know exactly how it works and how you can promote it. Now, that being said, this core product is gonna be the base of your affiliate stacking ecosystem. This is what you're gonna build your business and brand around, and this is what is gonna give you the high ticket commissions. Now, the second part, or the second step, is to figure out other problems your customer is gonna be facing with that main core product. Again, you're gonna be finding that your customer is gonna need multiple products to get the result they want. Again, if we take the health niche, let's just say we wanna sell that weight loss course. Now we can go ahead and look at other things that they're gonna be facing, right? They need a tracking software to track their calories. Okay, now they need food to go with the tracking software to track their calories, right? You can see all these problems that your customer is gonna be facing, and this is really important. With this second step, you really have to dive deep and really understand the problems that your customer is gonna be facing. Now, typically, if you go deep enough, you can find anywhere from 10 to 20, even 30 different types of products that people are gonna need to find that main core result. A good example is in my business, obviously I teach people affiliate marketing. Now, the main goal when having multiple products is not only for you as an affiliate to create a full-time, sustainable, and long-term business, but you also allow your customer to get other tools, other products, other resources to help them get the result they truly desire. and that will result in more money in your pocket, and it will help your customer make more money. It's a win-win situation. Now, the third thing to build out this passive income ecosystem is we need to build out the machine. This is how you turn your business into a passive income machine. This is how you automate literally the whole process from selling the product, following up with the product, and since we're doing affiliate marketing, we don't even have to fulfill on the product. So it's truly a passive income business once you set up the machine. Now, while you're building out this passive income machine, it's really important that you're building out this one main asset that's going to totally change the way you build out this business, and that's by building out your email list. This is the single most important part of your entire business. This is how you evaluate the worth of your company, and that's your email list, the most important asset in your affiliate marketing business. Now guys, I can't stress how important an email list is. This is how you literally leverage the power of the internet to make money online. An email list is how I virtually print money. Now, how much money can I make with an email list? Typically, you can make $1 per subscriber per month, especially when you're first starting out. But as you get better, you can make $2 to $3 per subscriber on your list per month. Meaning, if you have 10,000 people on your email list, you should be making on the low end $10,000 per month, and on the high end $30,000 per month. Now, not only does an email list give you predictable income every single month, the most important part is this is what's gonna sustain your business for the long term. For example, if I were to lose my YouTube channel, or if I were to lose my TikTok account, or any of my social medias, I still have my email list, and by law, they have to give me that email list, even if they were to shut me down. So you can see why this is the most important part of your affiliate business. And this is a huge part of the affiliate stacking ecosystem because it allows you to promote the multiple products once you have those products in your list. So to create this affiliate stacking ecosystem, we need to tie all these three steps together. Again, we start with that core main product, then we find other supporting products that customers are gonna find problems in, and we're gonna have those supporting products. They're gonna help your customer get the core result that they want. Now, having multiple products is gonna ensure that your business is well diversified and gonna be here for the long term, especially when you quit your 9-to-5 job. But not only that, you're also gonna help your customer get the results they want by giving them multiple tools, multiple resources, and multiple products to help them get that main core result. And this is how you properly build out the affiliate stacking ecosystem that's gonna help you quit your 9-to-5 job. Now, in my upcoming program, Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, I'm gonna be going in extreme depth on how this works, from how to find these core products, how to find the multiple streams of products that are gonna help you with that core product. But more importantly, I'm gonna show you how to put this all together step by step, click by click, every single page, every single list, everything you need to know to make this all work. And of course, I'm gonna show you how to get customers, how to get traffic, which is obviously the most important part of your business, right? We can have this system set up, it's ready to go, but we need to send as much customers as possible. And I'm gonna show you exactly how we do that with the affiliate stacking ecosystem. And not only am I gonna show you how to create this well-oiled machine that's gonna work for you 24/7 on autopilot, I'm also gonna show you how to create a well-oiled traffic machine that brings in customers and people to your machine every single day. Now, why is this important? Because now we can do the things we want. Now we can have the time and the financial freedom because we're leveraging the most powerful thing in the world, which is the internet and having an email list. And we don't even have to create our own products. This is literally the most powerful thing on the planet, and it is affiliate marketing. So guys, make sure you stay on the lookout. In the next few days, I'll be releasing the new program very, very soon. And more importantly, I'll show you exactly what's inside and why this is gonna be extremely powerful to help you build a full-time passive income business, but more importantly, gonna help you leave your 9-to-5 job. Now, if this is something you are interested in, I left the link down below to add your name to an early bird waitlist. Now everybody on that early bird waitlist is gonna get access to the registration link before I release this to the public. So make sure to click it down below, guys. Go to the link to get on the waitlist, and it's gonna be a first come, first served basis. I'm really excited for Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. Now in the next video of this 6-part series, I'm gonna show you a trick that I have never released ever before. I'm gonna show you how to get high ticket sales very quickly. This is literally the #1 secret that I have never talked about in public, but this is one of the main reasons I've been able to generate so much income, especially when I was first starting out with hardly any followers at all. So guys, make sure that you guys are following this, because on the next video, I'm gonna show you exactly this little known secret I have never released to anyone ever. And trust me guys, it's gonna blow your mind. That being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the second video of the 6-part series videos I'm doing about how to leave your 9-to-5 job with my affiliate stacking ecosystem. And I can't wait to show you what I have in the next one. We'll see you guys on the next video, and God bless.